Hey everyone, I'm Chris from GamerTechToronto and welcome to another episode in our PC build series. A great gaming PC doesn't have to cost a fortune. It's all about picking the right parts for performance, efficiency, and value. Today, we're putting together another budget-friendly build that delivers a smooth 1080p and 1440p gaming experience. It also helps with AI-assisted workloads and efficient multitasking. The system is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 5 245K and the Intel Arc B580 GPU. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on creative projects, this build proves that you don't need to overspend to get great performance. Before we start assembling, let's break down the parts and why they were chosen. The Intel Core Ultra 5 245K is a power-efficient, AI-driven processor that delivers fast gaming performance, smooth multitasking, and advanced content creation capabilities. This is going to be a full Intel build, so we're also using the Intel Arc B580 GPU, so you can definitely expect some smooth frame rates at 1080p and 1440p with ray tracing and AI-powered Intel XeSS upscaling. Choosing the right CPU and GPU combination ensures balanced performance. This setup is optimized for esports gaming, AAA titles, and streaming without bottlenecks. For the RAM, we're going with 32GB of Kingston Fury Beast RGB DDR5 RAM, which provides high-speed performance for gaming, multitasking, and streaming. DDR5 offers faster speeds and lower power consumption, making it a great future-proof choice for both budget and mid-range builds. Moving on to the storage, for this we're using a 1TB Kingston Renegade Gen 4 SSD. This ensures fast load times, quick boot speeds, and responsive system performance. NVMe SSDs outperform traditional SATA drives, making them the best storage option for gaming PCs. Moving on to the cooling, we're using the TRYX Panorama AIO, which provides efficient and quiet cooling for the Intel Core Ultra 5, ensuring stable temperatures even under full load. For the case, we're going with the Tower 300 by ThermalTake, which is a compact yet airflow optimized case offering great thermal performance and a clean aesthetic. For the power supply, we went with ThermalTake's Toughpower GT850 80+ Gold PSU, which ensures stable power delivery while allowing for future upgrades. Now let's get into the build. Let's start with the motherboard. Let's lay it out and let's get all the other parts organized. Let's start by installing the new Intel Core Ultra 5 245K into our motherboard. We're going to start by lifting up the CPU retention bracket just like so. Here's a tip for you guys. Make sure you align the gold triangle on the CPU with the socket guide. This ensures proper placement. When you're lowering the bracket and securing it in place, make sure you don't force it in. This processor is built for power efficiency and AI-assisted performance, delivering smooth gaming, faster content creation, and better multitasking. If you're planning any future upgrades, make sure your motherboard has a strong power delivery system and PCIe 5.0 support, allowing you to swap in higher-end CPUs or GPUs later without replacing your entire system. Next, let's install 32GB of Kingston Fury Beast RGB DDR5 RAM and the Kingston 1TB NVMe. You want to make sure you're inserting your RAM sticks into the correct slots. Refer to your motherboard's manual for dual channel configuration. Align the notch on the RAM stick with the slot guide and press firmly until you hear that click. And now we're going to install the NVMe SSD into the M.2 slot for ultra-fast storage. Now let's go ahead and install our cooler. Usually you would apply a small dot of thermal paste onto the CPU and then attach the cooler block. However, this cooler already comes with thermal paste pre-applied, so all we're going to do is just plop it right down and install it. Now that you got your motherboard all installed, it's time to put it in the case. So let's go ahead and just drop it gently in. Perfect. You want to make sure you align the motherboard with the pre-installed standoff screws, and then you want to secure it in place with a magnetic screwdriver to prevent any dropping of screws inside of the case. Go ahead and connect your CPU power cables now. This is going to simplify cable management later on. With your power supply, you're going to want to go ahead and install it to the bottom compartment of your case, just like so. And also don't forget to connect all the necessary cables to the motherboard, the GPU, and your storage devices. A tip for you guys is route your cables through the case's built-in cable management channels for a cleaner look and for better airflow. Next, let's go ahead and install the radiator and fans inside the case to maximize airflow. And now it's finally time for my favorite part. We're going to be installing this graphics card. This is the new Intel Arc B580 GPU. It's the king of budget GPUs, offering smooth 1080p and 1440p gaming with features typically found in higher end cards. When choosing a GPU, consider resolution, VRAM, and feature set. The Arc B580's 12 gigs of VRAM ensures smooth performance in modern games, while Intel XeSS AI upscaling hardware acceleration, ray tracing, and AV1 encoding make it a standout choice for both gamers and content creators. Now for the installation, go ahead and insert your GPU into the PCIe Gen 4 slot, ensuring it clicks into place. Secure it with screws to prevent movement, and connect the PCIe power cables from the PSU for stable performance. This card is also a great option for streamers thanks to the AV1 encoding for higher quality streaming at lower bit rates. It's also great for delivering premium features at a reasonable price. Now that you've got your PC all built, there's only two last things to do. Number one, check all your connections and make sure everything is plugged in properly. Once you've done that, the last step and the best part about building a gaming PC, let's fire it up. Our budget gaming PC is now complete, and you can find the full range of Intel Core Ultra CPUs and the new Arc B series GPUs at your local tech retailer. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.